Welcome, Crafty Hackers! Today we're back with some fabulous gift hacks from regular objects. If you're new here, make sure to show us some love, subscribe, and click the get notified about every new crafty video so you never miss out. Let's get started! Everything gold is better. Make this for that golden someone. Tape off the top half of a mug. Don't forget the handle. Next, cover the top with aluminum and spray the bottom with gold spray paint. Let it dry, and wow! Now adorn it with a loving label. So chic and minimal. Utterly glam. We made that? Ooh yeah! We all should show the people we love how important they are, and all it takes is an ordinary deck of cards. Take a hole puncher and punch 2 holes on the side of each card. Tie them together with some snazzy ribbon. Cut some sticky paper and write out your reasons. Can you feel the love? I know they will. Perfect gift for cozying up during the cold months. Take some cotton fabric, we're using this placemat. Fold it inside out and sew the edges together. Leave one side open. Now fold it the right side up. It's time to fill it. We're going to fill it 2/3 full with rice. And then we're going to add 1/4 cup of dried lavender flowers. Now it's time to sew it closed. So fab! And we're going to fold it in half to prep it for gift giving. Tie a cute ribbon around it and a cute label. Totally giftable and so easy to do. Cash is always a hit when it comes to presents. Now you can give it in style. You'll need a Ziploc. Make a cute label and stick it onto that Ziploc. Next, put your cash in the bag. And of course, the glitter. Then add some water to the bag, and then we put it in the freezer. When it's ready, take out that money. Love it! Have a kitchen lover in your life? Want to make them something personalized they will love? Make some fun wooden utensils, and every time they use them, they'll think of you. We chose some wooden spoons. Next, get your paints. Choose their favorite colors and paint away. Next, cover them with Mod Podge to seal it. Tie it up with a fancy string and label. Success! Another great gift idea that you can totally make. Sometimes it's good to have things homemade, and these hand-printed cotton napkins are amazing. Take a foam sheet and cut out your stamps. We're making stars and moons. Dreamy! Cut them out and then glue them onto the piece of foam. Cut them out again and then glue the stamp handles on. We're using recycled bottle caps. Lay out some protective paper. Get out your chosen paints and stamp away. Stamp your paint marks and then make 4 more napkins. Wrap it elegantly with a nice ribbon or string. Then top it off with a personalized label. This is amazing! Cutest little gift! We all love Pom-pom, so this is a perfect gift for that fellow student or bookworm. First, let's make the pom-pom. Wrap the yarn around your fingers quite a few times. Once you're done, pull it off your fingers and tie a string around the middle. Leave one end of that string longer. Cut those sides and snip, snip, snip. Once it's cut, now you can shape it into a ball of cuteness. Tape the end of the string and run it through a fancy bead. Tie a knot, and it's so smart and chic. Perfect addition to gifting a nice book. Something homemade and adorable. Be still my heart. 2 perfect gifts. One wrapped in the other. What's not to love? First, you'll need some dollar bills. Next, the classic chocolate. Tape the cash around the chocolate box. Now cut up some fancy paper and wrap it around our glorious gift. Next, we wrap our ribbon around, and voila, perfection! And it looks so cute! Pot-Pourri smells magnifique. This stovetop pot-pourri is a breeze and it smells scrumptious. You'll need cinnamon sticks, star of anise, orange slices, cloves, and a glass jar. Place all the ingredients into a glass jar and add a personalized label. Tie a ribbon around it. A gift that tantalizes the senses. We all love some arm candy, but we also love to recycle. Let's make a gift that's both cute and conscious. You'll need an old t-shirt. Cut off some strips along the bottom. and then cut holes at the ends to link them together. Once they are linked, use your fingers to braid them together. Measure, and once you've gotten the size of your wrist, run the string through the last 2 loops and tie one end to the other. Now, cut the excess string, but leave a little so we can add our beads. Tie some knots at the end, and so you going fabulous! A citrus foot soak is an excellent way to let someone know you care. You'll need a lime and a lemon. Grate the peels of both and put it inside. Mix Epsom salts and the zests. Add some of your fave essential oils. We added peppermint and sweet orange again. Mix it all together and put it in a fancy jar. Personalized label and tie a cute gold string. They will love it. We're going to make the fanciest pedestal dish. So you glue the bottom of the bowl to the bottom of the dish. Put some tissue paper, place your goodies, then wrap it up and top it with a bow. A classy gift for a classy someone. Keychains are a fabulous homemade gift. Tape the ends of the rope and cut off excess material. Next, run the loop through the center like this. Now we get our glue gun and glue down the 2 sides together. Get some thread with them and start wrapping. We used artistic wire at the end. Looking good! Next, take off the tape and get that fringe done. We used our hands to loosen and unravel. Wow, looks straight from Anthropology. Trey boho chic. It's winter. You know what we're feeling? Frozen! So, do you want to build a snowman? This kit has everything you need. Buttons, pine cone, more buttons, and his fancy top hat. Pack it all up in a cute package and you're set. Cookie jar recipe, this right here takes the cake. Find a cute jar. We like this one with the chalkboard label. Next, measure out all your ingredients. 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar, and 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. Next, write out the recipe along with the remaining wet ingredients. Love it! Gift box. Well, we have to find cute ways to give our presents. Let's do it. Who's your best friend? Washi tape. Cover the top of this ordinary box with the prettiest washi tapes you can find. A little fabulous, yes? Don't forget the sides. Put your treats or presents in and top it off with a ribbon. So cute! Want to really surprise a loved one? Let's make them a secret hiding place where they can keep their treasures. You'll need a book, plastic wrap, Mod Podge, an X-Acto ruler, and treasure. First, protect the book cover with plastic wrap. Next, Mod Podge the back cover to the pages, the sides, and in between. Next, take out your ruler and rule with this X-Acto knife. We cut out a rectangle. You're going to have to cut quite a few layers out. Once you have enough space to hide your treasures, place them in there. Tie a ribbon around, and of course, sprinkles! A magical gift for any muggle. 2 words for you: bath and crystals. Need we say more? Yes, and we'll show you how to make them. First, take your baking soda, cornstarch, and citric acid in a big bowl. Stir, stir, stir. Add your fave essential oils. We use peppermint and sweet orange. Add in some blue and red food coloring. Then we add in half a tablespoon to a full tablespoon of rubbing alcohol to our mixture. Mix and add until the mixture is thick. Grease the molds. Now start filling. Push our mixture all around the edges and be sure to leave space in the middle and leave it to dry. Next, in other bowls, put 3 tablespoons of bath salts in each. Now drop in your choice food colorings and stir well. Oh, this is going to be so beautiful! Place extra clear bath salts in our mold and slightly wet. Next, place your colored bath salts and wet again. Let it dry fully and it's bath time! Magical! You can place it out for your guests or place it in tissue paper and wrap it up. Such a pretty gift! Note holder? Let's make this rock. Take an ordinary rock and paint it extraordinary. We love polka dots. Wrap some artistic wire around our extraordinary rock. Tuck it through and use some pliers to shape the wire to hold our note. We love this one, and hopefully they will too. At Crafty Hackers, we love crafty gifts. Mix salt, garlic, paprika, and dried chilies together in a bowl. In a second bowl, you'll also need dried seaweed and sesame seeds. Store your mixtures in jars. Experiment with different flavors. Lime and ground ginger is another tasty one. And voila! Such a cute gift idea. Thanks for watching Crafty Hackers, and see you next time with more hacks.